That's amazing.
That's a boy.
How do you know it's still in its sack?
1, 2, 3,
4 children.
4. Oh my gosh.
Bubba, what did you do?
Yeah, that's the last one.
What did you do to her, Bubba?
What do you think? Is that what you think, Baba?
Bubba.
Oh my gosh.
Yo creo que sí, porque esos 4 veces estaban pegados.
Oh my gosh.
He said yeah.
That's the number 4.
Poor baby.
This is the first one,
Second one, third one,
the
fourth.
second one, the third one.
That's a big baby.
So we got two
Daddy, can you help her?
2 boys and a girl,
Oh, I see it moving.
and that one is gonna be a.
Can you help her?
Okay, can you hold this over here? Just make sure the video can. Watch it. Hold on. Okay, princess, hold on. Let me help you. This is Rose. Stop.
Oh no, you're getting the dog started.
Okay. Let me help you. Okay, let me help you. Hold on. Don't eat that. I can give you food, but don't eat this, please. Stop.
Why?
No, she's
Because
telling
this
the
is too
baby
much.
dogs not to eat it.
Go get me, Mariel, can you go get me some napkins, please?
What's the matter? ¿Por qué?
Mariel.
Mario, it's brown.
Why it's a brown one? Oh my gosh.
It's
Go
beautiful.
give me napkins.
It's brown.
¿Estás quitándolo?
She's eating it.
¿Por qué tú lo estás quitando?
Because I tried to cut it. Because that's a picture.
Yeah, it was really good. Oh.
Where's the...
The floss?
Why is she eating the dog?
No, she's not.
Oh, right, I forgot about the end.
Baba, I mean, princess, you're gonna throw up.
Yeah, she already threw up once.
Que ella tiene que hacerlo, ¿no?
I know. Where's the napkins?
There is no more.
The rest.
No, there is still more when I took.
There's none in
Excuse me, get up.